If you want to start a YouTube channel, you need to know this stuff. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Malasia and I'm here to help small YouTubers like you to believe, build, and achieve the life that you want. Through these videos I post here on my channel every Monday and Thursday. If you want to start a YouTube channel, these are things that you need to know before starting. Before I start this video, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. If you're a boss-ass content creator, or if you're trying to become a boss-ass content creator, because this channel is dedicated towards helping you to become a boss-ass content creator. And of course, if you want even more tips, even more tricks, even more ticks, what? Just join my private Facebook group that gives you a plethora of more things to thrive on YouTube. All right, so let's get on to the video. The first thing that you should know before starting a YouTube channel is that you need 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 hours of watch time within 12 months in order to be monetized on YouTube. And being monetized on YouTube, being paid through YouTube AdSense, is pocket change compared to all the other ways that you can get paid on YouTube. You can't just hop on YouTube and be monetized, but once you get to that point, you can make money, but then again, it's like not that much money when you only have 1,000 subscribers. So it's not something that you should stress anyway. I will say that once you're monetized, there is a theory that YouTube does push your videos out more because you making money is them making money. They make a percentage off of the money that you make, but you can also make money your own way through YouTube without having to be monetized. You need to be consistent to see results. You can't just start a YouTube channel and post every week for a month and then not show up for 2 weeks and then upload that next week and then not upload for 3 months and then show back up in 2 months. Like, no, you have to consistently upload every single week to see results, because if not, then YouTube doesn't really classify you as an actual content creator until you are consistent. You need to do research to see what videos are being searched and what videos are needed on YouTube if you actually want to grow your YouTube channel fast. By doing this, you're skipping all the random videos that you're making in hopes that your channel will grow, and you're getting straight to business and making the videos that people are searching and wanting to watch videos of, making it a higher chance of them finding your channel and watching your video. You need to have a clear niche starting out, and I would suggest making it as narrow as possible. There's nothing wrong with exploring your niche with, seeing what sticks, what works, but it's really important to figure out what that niche is going to be and try to make it as narrow as possible. And then once your channel grows through that niche, you can expand and do other videos because you've already gained an audience. It's like a boiling pot of water. If you put a ton of water in a pot, it's gonna take forever to boil. Whereas if you put a little bit of water in a pot, it's gonna start boiling a lot faster, and then you can add more water to it as it's boiling. Which one would you prefer with your channel? The last thing I want to share with you on what you need to know before starting your YouTube channel is not to let the subscribers get to you. You only need 100 true fans to be a millionaire. I'm not sure, don't quote me, I know it's something like that. If you have 100 true fans on your YouTube channel, you can make a lot of money. You do not need to wait until you are monetized. You can align your business to your YouTube channel and funnel them into your services, and they can turn into clients from your YouTube channel. You can sell products on your YouTube channel. You can do special memberships, VIP giveaways. You can sell trainings. There are so many ways to make money on YouTube. So I wouldn't stress the numbers. Don't stress the numbers. Focus on the content. Focus on your brand. Focus on your strategy and your mission, and the subscribers will come, as well as the money. All right, so that's it for today. I hope you guys all have a great day. Make sure to believe, build, and achieve. And if you have any questions in the comments, let me know. And I'm out.